Here we will write a program to calculate area and perimeter of a sphere. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. The formula for calculating area is 4 pi r square, that is 4 into 3.14 into r square, and formula for calculating perimeter is 2 pi r. So first we will accept radius from the user. So r equal to input, enter radius, and then we will calculate area as area equal to 4 into 3.14 into r, and we will calculate perimeter as 2 into 3.14 into r, and then we will print it. So print area of sphere and print perimeter of sphere. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the radius. I will give 5. It will print area of sphere as 62.80 and perimeter as 31.40.